How to manually select a network provider on your Android phone. Here's how. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Tap Mobile Networks. If your phone has two SIM cards, select the SIM card you want to change the network for. Scroll down a little and tap Mobile Networks. Next, tap Automatically Select Network to turn it off. Your phone will now search for all available network providers. This may take a few seconds, so wait until the list appears. Once the available networks are displayed, tap the network provider you want to connect to. If the selected network is supported by your SIM card and carrier, your phone will connect automatically. If you want your phone to select the best available network again, simply return to the same page and turn Automatically Select Network back on. That's it. You've successfully selected a network provider manually on your Android phone. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more quick and easy Android tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.